What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries, a mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. We're back for another Well Carina reaction, and this is for another Eat Bulaga song by request. Ang kanyang kinanta ay Eternally by Victor Wood. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I'm going to listen to the song Eternally. At si Victor Wood parang isa rin to sa mga parang Tom Jones ng Philippines, ng mga classic vocal Filipino musician at artist sa ating bansa. Kaya naman excited tayong panoorin to. Tingnan natin how Ruel will give his golden voice sa Eternally. Hindi ko rin alam tong kantang to. So, tignan natin ano ito. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys.
Yan na lang, yan na lang. Sige. Kakantahin ko po Eternally ni Victor Wood.
Ay, natatawa si Bunso. Yan pala yun.
Loving you eternally.
Wow, iba yung vibrato ng Bunso. Oh my God, ito pala yun. Alam niyo, lagi ito pinapatugtog. When I was in province, just story time, guys. Nung nakatira ako sa Nueva Ecija, every Sunday, mga ganitong kantahan yun. Grabe, let's go back to that, guys. Hold on. Let's go back to that.
I'll be loving you eternally.
Ganda nung vibrato ni Bunso.
With a love that's true eternally.
Tama ba yung lyrics na yun?
From the start within my heart, it seems I've always known.
Oh my God, bagay na bagay kay Ruel, yung hagod, yung vocal escalation, kuhang-kuha niya, guys. Grabe, no? Comment down below, tama ako, guys, kasi I know this song, oh. Alam ko pala tong kantang to.
From the start within my
Listen to that
heart, it seems
escalation.
I've always known.
Hindi po, oh my God, iba yung atake ng boses ni Ruel.
When you were mine and mine alone.
Kuha niya yung mga nuances na yung switching, love it.
I'll be
And that
loving
smile, oh.
you
You!
eternally.
Diba, yung mga squeak na putol, guys, narinig niyo ba yun? I don't know if ako lang nakakarinig, but comment down below. Let's go back to that. Look at that smile talaga, oh. Diba? You! Kuhang-kuha, cute!
There'll be no one you, my dear, for me.
Parang uma-R&B siya ng konti.
I should fall, remember I should always be.
Diba? Oh my God, it's so soothing. Bagay kay Ruel tong kanan to. Sana mag-ano siya talaga. Gusto ko siyang magkaroon ng classic vocal covers. Kahit hindi original song, yung mga ganitong kanta na very nostalgic in one album, right? Sana naman, TVJ. Ruel is bankable, so deserve niya to have this kind of album, yung cover songs, diba? Ruel covers the classics. Parang ganon, the golden voice, ganyan.
Though the sky should fall, remember I should always be forever true and loving you eternally.
Whoa! Tignan niyo, pati si Karen natuwa. Oh my God, I love it. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing Eternally by Victor Wood. Oh my God, familiar pala ako dun sa song. Hindi ko lang alam yung title niya talaga. And I know the rhythm, I know the how the vibrato and the switching. At kuwang-kuha ni Ruel at ni-level up niya pa guys those nuances, yung twitch, yung squeak na pang classic, kuwang-kuha niya, grabe. He knows that is his parang forte niya talaga yung mga ganong vocals, and ginagawa niya pang medyo R&B vibe, no? Napansin niyo ba yun guys? You can comment down below. But like what I said, sana magkaroon siya ng album covers ng mga ganitong klaseng kanta, yung bagay sa boses niya with his own rendition, his own golden vocal. What can you say about that, guys? You can comment down below. Let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.